Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll walk through my day while improving your English listening and speaking skills. Sharing a daily routine is one of the best ways to learn vocabulary, sentence structures, and conversational expressions in English. By the end of this 25-minute video, you'll feel more confident in describing your day and talking about daily activities. So, let's get started and dive into my story. 1. Why talking about your day is important. Talking about your day is a practical way to practice English. It helps you learn how to describe actions, use time expressions, and organize your thoughts clearly. In this video, I'll share a story about my typical day. I'll break it into sections like morning, afternoon, and evening, with vocabulary and phrases you can use in your own conversations. 2. Morning, starting the day. Write story segment. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and drink a glass of water to hydrate. Then I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a quick shower, get dressed, and make my bed. By 7 a.m., I'm in the kitchen preparing breakfast. My go-to breakfast is scrambled eggs, toast, and a cup of black coffee. While eating, I like to check my emails or read the news on my phone. After breakfast, I plan my tasks for the day in my notebook. Around 7:30, I head out for a short walk or some light exercise in the park. The fresh air helps me feel energized and ready to tackle the day. Vocabulary to learn. Stretch. To extend your body or limbs. Example: I stretch every morning to feel fresh. Hydrate. To drink water and keep your body hydrated. Go to, your regular or favorite choice. Example: my go-to breakfast is scrambled eggs. Practice. Questions: what time do I wake up? How do I prepare for my day in the morning? 3rd, mid-morning, getting to work. Story segment. By 9 a.m., I'm ready to start work. Since I work from home, I have a dedicated workspace in my room. I spend the first hour responding to emails and organizing my tasks. At 10:30 a.m., I usually take a small break. I make a cup of tea or a smoothie, and sometimes I do a few stretches to stay active. After the break, I focus on my main tasks for the day, which might include writing, attending online meetings, or working on a project. Vocabulary to learn. Dedicated workspace, a specific area for work. Example: I have a dedicated workspace at home. Organizing tasks, planning or arranging what needs to be done. Break. A short pause in work. Example: I take a break at 10:30 a.m. Practice questions. How do I start my workday? What do you do during breaks at work or school? 4. Afternoon, lunch and productivity story. Segment. At around 1 p.m., I take a break for lunch. Today, I made a simple salad with grilled chicken and a bowl of soup. I like to eat something healthy to keep my energy levels high. After lunch, I take a 10-minute walk or sometimes meditate to relax. By 1:30 p.m., I'm back at my desk to continue working. The afternoon is usually when I'm most productive, so I focus on tasks that need deep concentration. I always try to finish my work by 4:30 p.m. so that I can have some personal time in the evening. Vocabulary to learn. Energy levels. How energetic or tired you feel. Meditate. To sit quietly and focus on your breathing to relax. Concentration. The ability to focus. Practice. Questions. What do I eat for lunch? What helps you stay productive in the afternoon? 5. Evening, relaxation and family time story. Segment. After finishing work, I spend some time relaxing. I might watch a TV show, listen to music, or call a friend. Around 6:30 p.m., I prepare dinner. Tonight, I'm making pasta with a side of garlic bread. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies, and I find it very calming. After dinner, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day, laugh, and sometimes play board games. These moments are always special to me. By 9 p.m., I start winding down. I make a cup of herbal tea and read a book. This helps me relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Vocabulary to learn, relaxing, taking time to rest. Example, I relax by listening to music, calming, something that makes you feel peaceful. Winding down, to slowly relax before bed. Practice questions. How do I spend my evenings? What do you do to unwind at the end of the day? Sixth night, preparing for tomorrow. Story. Segment. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I set out my clothes, pack my bag, if I'm going out, and write down my top 3 priorities for tomorrow. At 10 p.m., I turn off my phone and do a quick meditation session to clear my mind. Then, I lie down and try to fall asleep by 10:30 p.m. Sleep is very important for staying healthy and productive, so I always aim to get 7 to 8 hours of rest. Vocabulary to learn, priorities. The most important things to do. Example, I write my priorities before bed. Clear my mind. To stop thinking about worries or work. Practice questions. What do I do to prepare for the next day? How do you ensure a good night's sleep? 7. Role play, your daily routine. Let's practice a conversation about daily routines. Example, dialogue, you. What's your daily routine like? Friend, I wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, and go to work. What about you? You. I wake up early too. I like to exercise and then start work around 9 a.m. Try practicing this dialogue with a friend or recording yourself to build fluency. Conclusion and homework. Your homework is to write a short paragraph about your daily routine and share it in the comments below. Don't forget to practice saying it out loud. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.